Okay, now let's see what we have learned in this lesson. First, we talked about the verb to be. We revised the verb to be and the personal pronouns. And we learned how to make questions, interrogative sentences. Remember, the inversion, we change places of the subject and the predicate. Are you Ivana? Is he a man? Are they in the office? These are all questions, predicate, subject. We've also learned to say the negative sentences. I'm not Mary. He is not John. They're not animals. We are not in the office. And pay special attention to the contracted forms which are mainly used in spoken English. I'm not here. I'm Ivana. You're John. You aren't in the office. He isn't here. He is not here. She isn't Mary. She is not Mary. It's not a dog. It's a cat. It isn't a dog. It's a cat. We are in the office. We are not in the office. We aren't in the office. You aren't in the office. They aren't in the office. Aren't, are not. Remember that. Also pay special attention to it's. It's a cat. It is a cat. So this it's is written with the apostrophe. It is it's. It's a cat, it's a building, it's a house, it's an office, etc., etc. Today we've also learned to say possessive adjectives. My phone number, your phone number, his, her, its, our, your, their. And pay attention, especially pay attention to its, because now we've got two its. It's a cat with the apostrophe. It's a cat, it's a dog, it's a company. This is a short form of it is. But look at this its. Its name is Max. Its name is Millie. Its name is Johnny. Now we are talking about animals, cats and dogs, and their names. So once again, he and she, as well as his and her, are used for people. For everything else, we use it and its. It as a personal pronoun and its as a possessive adjective. Now you know how to say your phone number because you know all the numbers from 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And remember, when you say your phone number, if there is a 0 there, don't say 0, say O. My phone number is 55303. Once again, 303. And if the same number is repeated twice, 22, we can say 22. We've also learned how to say where you come from, your country of origin, the city in which you live, and your nationality. Where is he from? He is from America. Where are you from? I'm from England. Where are they from? They are from Spain. Where are you from? I'm from Madrid. I'm from London. I'm from New York. So we use the same sentence pattern to talk about countries and cities. And we use similar pattern to talk about nationalities. What is your nationality? What is his nationality? What is their nationality? He is English. They're Spanish. I'm French. you are German, etc., etc. So thank you for being here with me today. Hope to see you again.